Hey everyone, welcome back to Embracing Life. Today's video is a perfect blend of motivation and productivity, and I'm gonna kick things off with some line drawing laundry inspiration to get you energized for the day ahead. So if you have something to get done, I'll be here for around 22 minutes. We can get it done together. Stick around as I embark on my day. I'm gonna do a semi-deep clean of my kids' bedroom. It was supposed to be a whole deep clean, but I am running behind in my day actually. And I had an unexpected Zoom call, or an unplanned Zoom call. So I am a little behind, so I won't have enough time in between starting the deep clean and going to pick up baby K. So it's just gonna be a semi-deep clean, and then the rest I'm gonna leave for tomorrow. So come with me, we'll tackle the chaos, do some decluttering, and transform the kids' bedroom into something of order. So if you're ready for a dose of motivation and a productive cleaning session, you're in the right place. Let's go.
Remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget. Yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter. Yeah. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse.
Okay guys, so this is what we're working with in the bedroom. It's just a lot of things out of place, and I actually haven't done a good sweeping, mopping, or vacuuming in here in a while. So of course when cleaning is going on, we do run through with the vacuum, but we haven't moved anything in a while.
Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now.
Typically when I'm deep cleaning, I like to move as much stuff out of the space as I can. So I try to move everything I could possibly move out of the space, and this is the dust that's behind the chest of drawers behind the beds, and it's kind of the same situation underneath the beds. Inside the closet hasn't been cleaned out as well in a while, so I'm gonna take almost everything out. The only thing that's gonna be left inside the closet are the clothes that are hanging, and then we're just gonna clean all the baseboards, get every square inch of the floor cleaned, and then we can start dusting off everything, the bed frames and everything, and getting back into putting things back into the space.
And you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy. My bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on. My bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids.
If you're wondering why I'm mopping as I go and not just like creating a pile or whatever, it's because I'm cleaning with the fan on, so I don't want the fan to keep moving stuff around. So as soon as I do a little area, I try to vacuum it up so that there's not too much stuff to get all around the room. Under this bed there's a TV. This TV stopped working, I believe last year we replaced it, and I think I'll be saving it for parts just in case there's something on it that we can use. So this is the dust that came off of the TV.
Moody, oh you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep.
Come on.
So guys, while I was here moving this bed, I said, let's see me moving the bed and hubby watching the video and saying, suppose I had broke the bed. So the bed rails have this system that you can slide them off, but they're locked in place, so I couldn't slide them off by myself. But I just wanted to get the cleaning done, so I said, alright, let me move the bed. And I got a little bit ambitious and was trying to see if I could rearrange the room. And it broke off, so I'm gonna give it a little quick fix. The bed itself isn't damaged, nor is the rail. The screws just fell out, so we should be able to fix it with some longer screws. The holes look fine. The wood is still intact. The screw holes don't seem to have been damaged, so it should be fine. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like when I'm done. These are just some pieces of wood that hubby had around the back. from projects he's worked on, and these were left over. He was gonna use them to build a barrier around some planting trees that we have. So they were lying out there. So this is what it looks like now. So it's all good. It can hold a little bit of weight. It can't take any rough housing, and then it gives the rest of the bed frame support so that the other screws shouldn't be under too much pressure. So this is a good quick fix, but I think we should be good with just some longer screws. So I'm gonna continue cleaning.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
Around half an hour before pickup time, I decided to stop where I was and started to dust off the stuff that I'd taken out of the bedroom so I could bring them back in. Baby K's preschool nursery allows a 1 hour grace period for pickup. After that 1 hour, it goes into aftercare and you have to pay extra for that. And we ain't doing that. So that's why the deep clean had to be a semi-deep clean in this video. So I'm gonna get everything back in here. I did manage to get some more stuff into the closet with a little better organization. So I was able to get the stroller in there as well as the laundry hamper, and I'm happy about that because I like when there's less stuff in the actual bedroom. I like to see the floor. Are you like that? Do you like to see the floor in a room? Like, I feel like no matter how nicely decorated or laid out a space is, if there's too much stuff going on and I can't see the floor, I feel overwhelmed. So let me know if you're like that down in the comments. So while I was putting these things back, I realized that one of the little hooks that's supposed to keep the shelf in place, it wasn't hooked properly in the little slot, and I was trying to get it to slide back into the slot so the shelf could sit properly, and it didn't really work. And then this side fell down, but it was a quick fix. I put those back up. I'll just leave that for hubby to do. I guess we're going to have to take everything out of the closet to get that done. And that is a wrap. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 21 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in a brand new video next week. Bye!